Installing Desklog on your Mac is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps. Open Desklog website. Download the DMG file to install Desklog on Mac. Save the downloaded file in your Applications folder. Double-click on the Desklog client.dmg file. Move the DMG file to Application. Double-click on the file. When prompted, click Open to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing, please grant specific app permissions to ensure accurate tracking on your Mac system. To enable these permissions, go to System Preferences, then access the Security and Privacy settings. Select Desklog from the list of installed applications. Allow permissions for Desklog. To enable screen capturing permissions, select Screen Recording. Then add Desklog to the permission list. After completing this, double-click on the Desklog icon to launch the app. Sign in using your login details. And there you have it. Desklog is now installed and ready to boost your productivity on your Mac.